Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to install your new GenieBidet Hand Held Sprayer, your ergonomic friend for precise rinsing. First things first, make sure you have all of the parts needed for the installation. Next, shut off your water supply to the toilet, then flush. Unscrew the water supply from the water tank. For this step, it might help to put some paper towels on the floor in case the tank drips water. This is completely normal. Step 2. Connect the T-connector adapter to the toilet tank. Make sure that the T-connector is moving up evenly so that it's as tight as possible. The T-connector also brings a conical gasket which you can use for extra assurance. Next, connect the sprayer hose to the T-connector. Make sure that the rubber washer is inside the sprayer hose. Step 4. Connect the hand sprayer threaded base to the metal spiral hose. Step 5. Attach the clip bracket under the toilet tank lip. And there you go! You just gained full control of your cleaning experience. If you have any questions regarding your bidet or the installation process, make sure to contact us at cs@geniebidet.com or at 888-999-6241.